Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on OPPO Find X9 Pro. Alright, before we open up our WhatsApp, we need to open up our settings because we need to check one thing. Scroll all the way down until you find the Google. And in here we need to make sure that we are logged in into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. Because if you'll be logged in into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply remember about it and check it. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. In here, select your language and click on Agree and Continue. We can click on Allow to send us notifications. And now in that place we need to type our phone number. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click right in here, click on Continue, click on Allow, and it will be automatically copied. Then click on Use. Now we also need to verify our phone number using one of two methods. We have the code from the SMS message or missed call function. Always prefer the missed call function because in my opinion it simply works better. In here we need to click on Yes. Now we need to wait a little bit. Alright, you can also see that it's automatically selected as a default method. If you want to verify another way, simply click the button on the edge. I want to continue, click on Allow. Now it's requesting for a call, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, automatically verifying. Verified, okay. Now click on Continue. Click on Allow, Allow, and Allow All. Now select Restore from Backup and click on Continue. Now the process will start, so we need to wait a little bit, and you can see that we are restoring the backup from the account that I'm currently logged into in my settings, so everything is just like it should. Okay, 12 messages restored. Click on Next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you want. Then click on Next. Okay, now everything has been successfully restored, including videos, photos, and normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.